Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term novel. Introduction. The novel is a versatile and complex literary form that has undergone significant changes throughout history. Originally derived from medieval romances and short tales, the novel evolved into an extended work of fiction written in prose. Over time, it has developed various subgenres and experimented with different narrative techniques. Origins of novel. The term novel originally referred to extended works of fiction in prose, distinguishing them from shorter forms like short stories and novelettes. The novel's extended narrative allowed for a greater variety of characters, intricate plots, detailed exploration of settings, and in-depth character development. Historical and picaresque novels. The novel found inspiration in history, incorporating historical events and characters into fictional narratives. This subgenre emphasized the impact of social and economic conditions on shaping characters and events, often advocating for political and social reform. Additionally, the picaresque novel emerged in 16th century Spain, presenting episodic adventures of rogue-like characters living by their wits. Psychological novels and buildings romance. Samuel Richardson's Pamela is considered one of the first English novels of character, focusing on psychological motives and character development. The buildings roman or novel of formation emerged, portraying the psychological growth and maturation of protagonists, often from childhood to adulthood. Realistic and romantic novels. The distinction between realistic novels and romances became prominent in the mid-19th century. Realistic novels depicted complex characters rooted in society, while romances often presented heroic characters in exotic settings with elements of fantasy and myth. 20th century innovations. The 20th century witnessed experimentation and innovation in the novel form. Magic realism blended realistic settings with fantastic elements, while postmodern novels broke conventions, foregrounding the role of the author and reader in constructing meaning. Conclusion. The novel has undergone a fascinating evolution, transitioning from its early roots in medieval romances to its postmodern and experimental forms. Throughout its history, the novel has allowed writers to explore a diverse range of themes and narrative techniques, making it one of the most dynamic and enduring literary genres. So this was the discussion on the term novel. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.